So we've just picked up our new comp chassis, shell, whatever you want to call it. We decided to give up with the red coupe we've got just because it's not in any sort of shape or form in the condition where we could sort of use that to go competition. It's rusty, the rear toe pockets are fucked, the jacking points are all done, the shell is just been butchered. It's just no way possible am I going to put that into comps, just because you don't want to turn up to a car that's just going to start ripping toe brackets out, toe arms, everything. So this is our new car. So with this shell, the main reason we sort of went for it is fully caged. It's got every single bash bar, it's got fuel tank cradle. The cage in this car is possibly one of the best cages I've ever seen. It's so tight, it's so neat, it's so tidy. It's really nice. And to be fair, I'm over the moon with what I paid for it. Another little bonus is, show them, Tom. It's got full wires fab including the toe arms. It's got full gas shocks all the way around. The car is stitched, welded. It's everything. It's spotless. If you even look underneath, it's like not a single bit of rust at all. Obviously it's got surface rust on the cage where it weren't prepped after it was built, but it's crazier. I've already got a new rear subframe and rear end to go into it. We're going to put an M3 Evo 36 rear end into it, which Jamie at CDK has already got for me. The car is going from this petrol station to Jake at 365 Performance, and they're going to work their magic, fully underseal everything, tied up a little bit of rust that is on the rear quarter this side, which doesn't actually need doing, but we'll get it done while we're here, why not? But yeah, they're going to wrap the seal underneath it, I believe, and clean it up and tidy it up, just so then it's just done once and done once the right way. Like, that's the main thing for me. I don't want to go to a car and in 3 years time I have to redo everything because it's fucked. I want to do it once and one time only, but do it properly. It might cost me an arm and a leg to get there, and it might take a little bit of time, but this is the good basis of where we're going to start off and hopefully finish. We have got an engine that's going to be going in this. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is yet, but it's going to be extremely spicy, and we're going to make sure it's done